Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Drowning Love on virtual piano. We will begin by understanding the platform's interface and how your computer keyboard translates into musical notes. This guide will help you get started quickly, ensuring you grasp the fundamental controls. You'll learn to navigate the virtual keys and prepare for playing your first notes of this beautiful song. Let's dive in and make some music. Next, let's focus on mapping the notes of Drowning Love to your keyboard. Virtual piano typically uses the QWERTY and Aztec rows for the main octaves. Understanding which key corresponds to each note is crucial for smooth playing. We'll look at common key assignments and how to find the specific notes needed for this piece. Take your time to familiarize yourself with this layout before moving on to playing the actual song. Now it's time to practice the melody and chords. Start by mastering the right-hand melody, playing it slowly and accurately. Once comfortable, gradually introduce the left-hand chords, ensuring they blend harmoniously. The key is to synchronize both hands, building muscle memory for seamless transitions. Don't rush. Consistent, slow practice will lead to much better results and a more enjoyable learning experience for this beautiful composition. Finally, let's explore some advanced tips and prepare for a full playthrough. Experiment with the sustain pedal feature, usually mapped to the spacebar, to add richness to your sound. Consider using a metronome to refine your rhythm and timing, aiming for a consistent beat. Listen to the original Drowning Love to capture its emotional nuances. With practice, you'll soon be playing the entire song beautifully and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.